Hello folks, my name is Manuel and I've got a shop on Etsy called ManuelyMade, and my whole thing is I've got a patent on these hinges, and to make sure that everyone understands just exactly how they work, I want to demonstrate these three boxes. This first box I call the bifold box, and it's got a double axis hinge that works where each leaf will fold 360 degrees. It's straightforward, works smoothly, and there's nothing to it. The second box I call the collector's box, and it has the same double axis hinge, and it works like this. The top goes completely under the box. Get it out of the way so that it makes a really nice presentation case for a collection of arrowheads, pocket knives, what have you. And it closes, slides forward, and zoom in right here if you would, Paul. This little lip right here engages this groove, which secures the box. But this one is the best. Now this box right here obviously is facing forward right now. When you look at it from the outside, there's no visible hinge. And maybe you can see it's got a thumb groove on both sides. So when people walk up to this box, the first thing they do is they try to open it, and it doesn't move. So they figure, well, maybe it opens on the other side, and they'll open it and it will move, but it still won't open. But to open it, all you have to do is lift it, pull it back, and flip it up. This is a triple axis hinge that also serves as lid support. There's no hardware involved in this other than my hinge. To close it, you just let it fall forward and slide it until it closes. Now this screen here is employs the same hinge. It has a double pin hinge, and each leaf of this screen will fold 360 degrees. So the hinges can come in any size and will adapt to literally anything that any normal hardware will do, any conventional metal hinge. And obviously it'll do things that no other hinge will do. Thank you very much.